Quería mostrarles el proceso cuando le doy de comer a mi grillo unas mosquitas. Simplemente el grillo se la engute todita, la come entera con todo y alas. Miren, está terminando de comer una mosca, ni las alas quedan. Ahí está terminando de... Me parece que las moscas son como un postre para los grillos. Los crickets enjoy the flies. I enjoy to eat the flies. So the crickets eat absolutely the whole body of the fly. They don't leave anything uneaten. They even eat the wings. So isn't that amazing? This is a woman cricket. If you see the big tail and its back, but I can't find a male cricket. So she's there waiting. I'm giving her a lot of flies that are flying around here lately, because a lot of lights are being converted into flights, and I'm giving these flies to this cricket, this woman cricket, and so she eats the whole body, everything with the wings and everything, doesn't leave a single piece of a whole fly. I like crickets because they have that sound, the the chi sound, which to me is very enjoyable to my ears. However, this the professor said not to say. However, this female cricket does not have the sound because she's not supposed to have that kind of wings. Only male crickets have the wings to make the sound if they want to mate with a female. By consequence, this female cricket will not give me the sounds of a cricket, which is pretty sad, but hopefully another cricket will get in my electrical bubble in the air, so I can pair him up with this one and obtain the sounds of the cricket which I like. So here it is, beautiful, my cricket. I'm giving her pieces of bread, some flies. I'm gonna give her some spiders too. I need to catch some around here. This is an old place where I am. There's a lot of insects coming in my electrical bubble after celestial judgment. So I got a lot of insects to give my cricket. Female cricket. Anyways, that's it. Let's cut this video. Cut.